To utilize an American Airlines meal voucher, begin by obtaining the voucher and thoroughly reviewing its specific instructions, terms, and conditions. Next, proceed to one of the designated airport restaurants, if needed. Ask airport staff for assistance in finding participating food vendors. Upon arrival at the chosen restaurant, present the voucher to the attendant at the cashier and allow them to scan it to redeem the voucher. The voucher can be used at a variety of establishments, including Buffalo Wild Wings, Dunkin' Donuts, Applebee's, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Subway, Baskin-Robbins, Starbucks, Panda Express, California Pizza Kitchen, and Panera Bread, among others. Generally, the vouchers are restricted to use within the airport. However, some passengers have successfully loaded them onto restaurants' apps, enabling use outside the airport. By following these steps, you can effectively use your American Airlines meal voucher.